Hi, welcome to a tutorial on package build on the web. The objectives of this tutorial are to assemble a package build on the web, define and submit a package build on the web, and deploy a package build on the web. Before starting the package build process on the web, we need to start the JDE B9 client network on the deployment server. You must manually start this service from the enterprise server for the first time. You can copy the username and password from the enterprise server and then paste the information in the security section of the JDE INI file in the deployment server. Let's now look at assembling a package using the Work with Packages web application P9601W. On the Work with Packages web application, click Search to view the list of assembled packages. To add a package, click Add and then enter the package name, path code, package description, type of package, and foundation. Then click OK. The details of the new package will be displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. You can change the package settings by using the language, features, or foundation option from the row menu. Activate the package by selecting the red box. Then, from the row menu, select Define Build. On the Package Build Revision application, click OK and then select the server you want to build on. Then, click OK. You can now see the details of the package. Activate the package by selecting the red box. Then, from the row menu, select Submit Build. Now let's see how to deploy a package build on the web. First, let's see how to schedule a package deployment from the web. Access the Work with Package Deployment web application P9631W. On the Work with Package Deployment web application, click the Add icon to select the package you want to deploy on the server or install on the client. Select the package and then click OK. The system displays the package deployment revision screen. Now select the client machine and the enterprise server on which you want to install the package. Click OK to return to the Work with Package deployment screen. In the Power Form, the approved status in the status description field indicates that the package is ready to be deployed on the enterprise server. An install status indicates that the package has been deployed previously on the servers. To deploy a package that is at the approved status, select Deploy to deploy one server or Deploy All to deploy all the servers. To view the client machines that the package has been pushed to, access the Client Workstation tab. For additional resources on package deployment, see the JD Edwards Enterprise One Applications Package Management Guide or visit us online at learnjd.com. Thanks for watching.